Wait. See how we do this now. Where I go, where I go, where I go. Oh, alright. So let me buy this again. Oh Lord, let me log on to my phone because we can't see any comments. Jeez, you. A lot going on. Hi guys. Welcome, 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 welcome.
Hi guys. I was just looking online to buy my outfit for...
Tracy's taking this very seriously.
Yes, I am, for bathing brunch. I'm getting my outfit ready. The theme is... What is it?
You said like some dress up, like a festival.
Yeah, festival theme. Yeah.
All right. Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of what's going on outside the closet and bring you in here for a full hour of fun, frolic, and
foolishness. So I want to tell you guys about the setup that we have today, because Jodi's phone broke. And so we have an iPad, we have a camera, and now we're going to have a phone to look at the comments.
Well, the iPad is so my phone broke, so I'm back to using an iPhone 7.
This angle is not flattering for us at
No,
all.
okay, there's a lot going on. So YouTube, I'm so sorry, we look like ogres on YouTube. So I've actually borrowed
Why would you want me to look like this?
Tracy, I can't help it.
Dude, you set it up so I look ugly. Like, at least one day a week I put on makeup to look pretty, and you just like ruined it for me. So
what is happening on the wall, I need to take a picture of it, is I borrowed Levi's iPad because the little 7 that I have, it keeps shutting off when I'm on IG. So I took Levi's iPad and I've double taped it to my mirror, and then the camera is below, but it's angled so funny, so on YouTube we look like, you know, what's the one that shrunk the head?
Beetlejuice?
Yes, we look like Beetlejuice. Anyway, how the phone break? The phone drop. It was a little small phone. Everybody used to tease it, and I guess the phone couldn't manage a drop.
And the teasing.
It couldn't manage the phone and the teasing, so now I just gone back to a 7.
Anyway, let's celebrate Butcher's Block.
You know, let's think of something else. We can celebrate with Butcher's Block. What's this?
Barton Goustier. They sent us a Chardonnay over. It's a product de France.
Ooh,
okay.
oui. So we're going to celebrate that I am getting a new phone.
Alright.
We're going to celebrate that I'm getting a new phone. Alright, so with hi, our cousin here. Hi, Tam. Miss you too. Okay, so with
I still see you.
Well, yeah, Tracy's going up to Big
Planet. Tam, yes, I need to talk to you, Tam, because Stevie needs
winter gear
and all of that. So you must have something from one of your children, because you have like 50 of them.
She has 3.
Well, between her and the whole of that side.
Yeah, the Stuart side of our family is very fertile. Yeah,
I think it's
very fertile.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so somebody was asking about the weather. If you see me looking down, everybody, I'm actually looking at the comments, because the comments are blocked on Levi's iPad because of the camera. It's a drama with the setup. So somebody was asking how's the weather. It's a little bleaky outside. Liz says, saw you guys trick-or-treating yesterday. You all look so great and like you had a ball. We did. We had a very good time yesterday trick-or-treating.
Why something the just kids, drop off for the setup?
No, shh, don't jinx anything. Don't jinx anything. We just, right? So, woo! I love when our cork opens, you know? Alright. So yes, we had a good time yesterday. You know, I said this last year, you know, in terms of Halloween. There's not much for our children to do. And if anybody, I saw a comment, which I actually just blocked the person on my page. If you want to bring in, to be honest with you, I didn't even look up All Hallows Eve and what it used to mean. If you think I'm taking my 2 nice children to dress up and do any weird stuff or any devil stuff, then you're really sick in your head. And if you think that asking for candy, then it's going to like possess the kids, you must think they go to Oberlin High, right? So just stop your foolishness.
Speaking of that
when you
so
start,
crazy,
yeah,
right?
but when you start to like let these things in and talk about these things and become obsessed with these things and want to look up these things and, you know, see people, oh my gosh, Halloween and your children, you're going to open up devil. What do you think that's doing to you?
Yeah, that's when you start to open it up.
Yeah, I'm collecting candy and dressing up because I need no excuse to put on a costume. We should go to Butcher's Block in a costume.
You want to?
Oh, we could. Oh, because you never got to wear your costume.
No, I didn't.
Sure.
Stevie's been sick.
Stevie's been very sick. We've been very concerned for her. Ooh.
That is smooth.
That is really nice.
Like, you know, sometimes afterwards it tastes like alcohol and it's like, ugh. This is so nice. Barton and Gustier, Dupuis, Chablis, Saint Louis, Chardonnay.
No, excuse me, I thought you're right. What's the duppy name? There's no puppy.
So this is
He's not getting a puppy.
Butcher's Black.
It's very it's very
so nice. They also gifted us. They said, haha, try put together your own charcuterie board. So they sent us some.
I'll watch you.
Beef pastrami. This is by Butcher's Block. This is their beef pastrami.
Somebody's asking what's going on with Stevie. The respiratory thing that's going around, Stevie got it bad.
Bad. Like, so bad.
Stevie got it really bad.
I am just horseradish bacon mustard dip.
Ooh. Dip?
Yeah.
Dip? Okay.
Dipping pretzels. I guess that's what it is.
Oh.
And simple white cookies.
Okay.
And 2 gift
certificates. Oh, to
Rasta George.
Guys, wow. We have our awesome giveaway today. What's the other one?
No,
oh, wow. Guys, we have 2 gift certificates to give away from Butcher's Block, each valued at $4,000. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
We need to think of a good question.
No, this is a really good question.
Jeez.
$4,000?
Give me one. We'll soon think of a good question. So, all right, guys. Tracy is gonna recreate the
so Stevie has a respiratory sickness, and she has it really bad. And you know, I really have to thank my pediatrician, Dr. Natalie Gomes, because she has been so good at dealing with me personally, you know, and
being annoying.
Yeah. She just is so like pleasant. I don't know how to put it.
So it's 4,000 Jamaican dollars. Butcher's Block is located in Jamaica. They have 2 locations in Kingston. So one is in Upper Manor Park Plaza, and then the second one opened up right in Loshusan Plaza. If you head down the stairs, like towards Tutti Frutti, towards Blow by Blow, you will see them right there. Big old Butcher's Block.
Yeah.
Newly opened. So in Butcher's Block, you can get your gourmet meats, cheeses,
and they are the distributors for Stonewall Kitchen. And Stonewall Kitchen has some really nice jams, jellies,
preserves.
Yeah, like those kind of things, right?
That's not how Trudy did it.
No, I'm not finished.
Okay. Oh, there's one in Tower Isle, St. Mary too. So we have 2 locations in Kingston and 1 in Tower Isle, St. Mary. Oh, Judy, tell me more about the one in St. Mary now. What you buy there? What you see? What you like? What you get? How it look? Boil some ganja and lemongrass. Really good for her any respiratory problems. Oh. And drink it.
My baby?
I'll have a little bit of that.
Ask Sean to give you some.
Ask Sean to give me some ganja.
Has some already downstairs.
Babe, can you boil up some ganja for me? DJ Fresh says, hope she feels better.
Thanks, DJ
When does
Fresh.
a gift card expire? It expires in December. So you would need to be either coming to Jamaica soon or living in Jamaica to be able to go down to Butcher's Block before December to use your $4,000 gift certificate. And we're thinking of a good question. Come, we can't give you a full question. Hiya!
So I am taking the pastrami and I'm rolling it.
I love how you guys are always finishing sentences.
And I'm trying to make it.
It's really nice. Small though. They have a wide variety of meats, dips, and snacks and so on.
You don't get enough space for show off.
Yeah, I was just about to say, if you utilize your space well, then you don't really need no big heck of a space.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. She didn't say ganja. She said lemon and ginger.
Boring.
Yeah, we want some ganja and lemon.
Boring.
Yeah.
Who wants lemon and ginger?
Who wants lemon and ganja?
Bring on the good stuff, yo. So anyway, so yeah, Christmas is upon us, and I am, trying to get together my Christmas shopping this year. My family, that's Scott, Stevie, and I. We are on an extremely tight budget because we're saving up for something, and so we're on a very, very, very big budget. So my family, tight budget. Right. So my family, which is the Stewarts, we used to do pixies, and then mommy was like, Bona pixies, it's only for the kids now. So we only buy for the kids now.
Yeah.
And I'm so thankful for that. Like,
well, sometimes I think too that we haven't given away the question yet for the Butcher's Block. Alright, let's take a shot every time I mess up the name Butcher's Block.
Hold on, let me just wash my hands.
Alright, who's taking shots with us today?
Who's taking
shots with us today? We're gonna call you.
What happened to the limoncello out at the store?
Where is my limoncello? I'm gonna call later. Alright, I saw ganja. I'm sorry, I saw ganja too.
Jodi definitely saw
I saw ganja too. Someone said ganja. I saw ganja. What's the question for Butcher's Block voucher? We haven't given it yet. Sorry guys, I'm going through all the questions because they wrote ganja. You know what? I'm gonna leave it at ganja.
Alright, so here, I did my charcuterie board.
Okay. That's why I say B Block. Oh, that sounds so cool. Okay, these items are from B Block. Alright. Trudy would be proud. She's got her little meats rolled there. And then, I mean, I would have cut the meat smaller, but I'm a big meat eater. You need something to scoop out that. I can't do shots. Doctor's orders. Girl, get a second opinion. What kind of doctor is that? Get a second opinion. That sounds horrible. I'm
Listen,
so sorry.
I went to Trinidad Carnival and I was on my deathbed and I said to the doctor, Doc, I need to do carnival tomorrow. And the doctor's like, oh, you'll be doing carnival.
We were in the hospital with Tracy. She went over there with some stomach bug.
Yeah, I was.
And then was like, I'm possessed by. What you were like? The monsters. They're inside me.
I was hallucinating as well.
Oh, it was because she was drunk. She was drinking on top of drinking Dica and Pepto-Bismol.
Yeah, and then I had the
Genies at work. Fine.
All right, this is a Stonewall horseradish bacon mustard dip. I don't know. That sounds really whack, to be honest with you. But.
Trini Mamacita says her doctor only recommends shots. I have a feeling Trini Mamacita.
Okay.
It's from Trinidad. Yeah.
This sounded so whack, but it tastes so good. The horseradish bacon mustard.
Is it very, very spicy? Because you know I can't deal with the spice. So why never take some of the big meat on top? Put a big meat now.
Okay.
Alright, let me put a big meat. I'll take one for the team. Alright. Look how much meat this is. Look at that. Oh, this is a cigar. Alright.
A pastrami cigar. Put a big meat on top. You said you wanted to put a big meat on top. Let me put a big meat on top. Okay, I'm gonna half my meat.
That's a nice mustard flavor. Okay, that's really good.
It's nice, right?
Horseradish bacon mustard dip.
Yeah, I halved my meat.
Oh, big meat. That is good. This is a nice combo. They knew what they were doing when they sent this together.
They're pretty good at that.
I miss our friend. What's his name again? You called him the wrong name the whole of last week.
Tori. I called him Tori.
His name was not Tori. He thought my name was Tori.
So when he opened the door, he said, "Hi, Tori." So I said, "Hey, what's up?" Because I thought he was introducing himself. But so I called him Tori.
And he's like, "Just call me Chef." You're a fool, you know.
Total. Absolute. Anyway.
A cheese would go awesome with this, like a cheddar.
Yeah, definitely. They didn't send any cheese though.
But this stuff here is really good.
I didn't look in the bag before I came upstairs. I just came upstairs with the bag.
This is really good.
Yeah. This is good.
I would have sawn that label.
Yeah, I would have.
And I would have picked that.
No, I would have never picked this up. It does not sound horseradish bacon mustard dip. Like that sounds so
weird.
Yeah,
but it's really good.
Yeah, it's nice. It would do nice on a sandwich
ham
too.
Yeah.
Yeah, or if you're glazing your ham. Yeah.
Guys, recommended.
Highly recommended.
You can head to the B Block.
The pepper jelly by this brand was good too. Yeah, we had that last week. Oh, so anyway, what else I want to say now?
Lou says anything with bacon. This is
pretty
true.
much. My Lou? Oh. So I was like, oh my gosh, she must be spot time.
Whatever happened to TWT Jam Supply? So she's still there, Aisha. I was thinking about her just the other day because I was thinking about how picky my kids have become with being eaters. And I was saying, let me see if Remy will have the jam again. But she's still there. Aisha with her chia jam. And I was thinking of the pineapple flavor again. Oh. Describe the taste if you can. Alright, so
I've finished eating.
I'm refreshing my taste buds.
You know how horseradish has like a peppery taste?
So it hits the middle to the back of your tongue first, right? And in hitting those sensory parts of your tongue, you immediately taste the horseradish, which is like a bite of spice. And then after the spice, it does a nice finish in something sweet but familiar, and that's the bacon. Blood. Girl,
Wow.
tap tongue, girl.
Wow. Top tongue.
Tap tongue, girl.
Okay.
Tracy, no taste it. No tongue.
I would have said it a different way. I would have said it hits the back and middle of your tongue. I was gonna say I taste the horseradish first. Then I definitely taste the mustard and the sweetness of the bacon.
But I said it better.
You definitely said it better. Not gonna lie. So anyways, guys, I want to tell you something. Last night, my husband and I, so we were talking. That I was not going there. Although we're talking about bacon and meats, but I wasn't going there. And he was right in something that he said, and I just won't admit it. Like, I just won't be like, oh, you're right. Is that mean?
No, you're supposed to. This dip is really good.
No, wash it down with the wine. Wash it down.
Top tier. Fancy wine with some fancy sauce and such.
Yeah.
Wait. Tikoti pinky.
So yeah. Anyway. Let's get talking. So Christmas is coming up. And as I was saying, like, we don't do anything but for the children. But I mean, like, I still have to get for all the Stevie's teachers. And there are a couple people that I want to give to. And there are a couple people that I
So
would
I have a
like to
hack
give.
for that.
Yeah.
So I did this last year. So I reached out again to Rachel Lynn. Now, you've seen Rachel Lynn on the show before. We love to support Jamaicans, and we love to support Jamaican made products. You see them here on the show all the time. We support our Jamaican industries, our Jamaican companies, our Jamaican products. And you know, I said to myself, I've done this before with By the Cabana. Anyway, I said I want smelling, rubbing stuff. Candles. I was feeling candly last year. So I reached out to Rachel Lynn and I said, hey, can you make some boxes for me? I'd like 11 larger boxes and 7 smaller ones. And so she gave me some smellies. Like, she sent me samples of the smells of candles, and she curated boxes for me, Tracy. And I mean, 11 and 7 is how much? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Yeah.
18 boxes for me, and they came beautifully wrapped. They came well on time.
Yeah.
And I didn't have to wrap. I didn't have to wrap them.
And
I
didn't want, I didn't
and
want
they were
to,
all Jamaican stuff.
Yeah, I didn't want to send something that like candy or something like that, because to be honest with you, I feel that gets lost at that time at Christmas. I feel like for a different celebration, cookies are okay, but I think that at this time that it gets lost.
Christmas. You know why? Because there's so many sweet treats at Christmas time that you giving cookies, so did somebody else. They're also getting Christmas cake, Christmas puddings. So a cookie, although I love a cookie, I just feel like if I don't eat all my cookies now, some of them may get, you know, like wait till later. We don't wait till later for a cookie. I get it though. Or you want to open it Christmas Day or open it closer to Christmas, and then you can't wait for a cookie. So you want something that's more of a product.
Yeah.
Yeah. You could also do gift certificates as well. I mean, you get feedback from your friends and your teachers. Butcher's Block, wow, I didn't know they had that, and wow, those jams. And you could give a gift certificate
from Butcher's Block.
Yeah.
That's actually a really good idea.
What I would do, I would talk to Butcher's Block. I don't know if they would be willing to do this, but I don't like when my gift certificates have a dollar amount. So maybe what I would do is I would say, can you write up the gift certificate for 1 Stonewall jelly and 1 pack of curated meats?
No, I don't like that. No,
I prefer that.
I don't want you choosing what I'm eating. Like,
I don't know.
And I don't care how much the gift certificate is for. It could be for $5. Like, I'm still going to put it towards whatever I'm buying.
True.
Like, I don't want you to tell me what I'm supposed to eat from Butcher's Block. So what if I don't want that?
Like when you know, mommy gives me a gift certificate, it's for like a mani and pedi, not for like the dollar amount. I like that.
Yeah, but you can pay, everybody's going to need a toe cleanup. It's not like...
Really? Because I know some people that don't get one. I need it.
We're ending the show early today.
So you can go get a mani-pedi?
I know, I really want to go to that salon that's opened up so, babe.
And go and see what's happening.
Yeah,
they look like, yeah.
They look really fancy.
So many cool little businesses, and everybody's like so.
This is my hair falling out that I just pulled out of my head.
From a choo-choo. Like all the businesses now are so aesthetically pleasing.
Yeah.
Like you see them, you know, and their offices look so beautiful, and you know.
And I really have to give it up to these business owners, because to do that in Jamaica is hella expensive. It's not like you can go to IKEA or Target or get these things for cheap. Like you have to really make an effort to,
or you have to send a big toe to a carpenter to be like, please, can you help me?
Yeah, you have to scour the internet for these things. You have to bring them in. It costs customs. Like it costs a lot of money to set up somewhere nicely in Jamaica.
Well, thanks guys. With regards to my eyeshadow, actually in real life I don't think it looks that good. I think it looks very dark and Halloweeny.
Yes, I do too.
Yeah. So, but thank you. But yeah, not my favorite look either. But yes, I do have a few tutorials over my YouTube channel where you can look and see the eye makeup that I did about 2 or 3 weeks ago. That one is great. This is quality reality TV, man. Y'all are actors, I swear. I ain't acting when I smelling that Choochie's. Everything is expensive. That's true.
No, but like it's so crazy how everything is so expensive. You know, I was just talking to my uncle about this the other day, and I was like,
yes, hello, beautiful.
How can this keep up? Like, how can this keep up? You know, like Scott and I are saving towards our goals, and I just feel like every time we look at our savings, it's like we have to keep on taking money out of it to do something else, and then like it's just never being chumped up. You know, it's just so super hard.
Jammy Jam says inflation is real, and it's like after a while, like, you know, you the salaries are staying the same, but the cost of living is so much higher, and then the cost of expectations are higher too. You know what I mean? When we're looking at Pinterest and we're looking at weddings, or we're looking at the cars that people are driving, or we're looking at the type of house, the type
so I've been watching this show called Dubai Bling. I don't know if you guys have been watching it. Anybody watching Dubai Bling? Say aye. It is unreal. That level of like
wealth is crazy.
The girl says, one of the girls on it was having a birthday party, but it was like a floral theme from like Italy, Tuscany, and the other one says, you know how hard it was to find an outfit? This is 4-season-old Dolce and Gabbana.
Aww.
I know. She's like, I had to go to an outlet store to find it.
What type of underwear do you think they wear?
Definitely that super expensive one.
What is it?
That
Agent Provocateur? That one ride your body hole.
I don't, like, how would I even know? I don't even know fancy brands. Like, I don't even know. Like, I'm the worst.
Pooja says yes, she's watching Dubai Bling. Drew says it's drama. Too much subtitles. Alejandro says
it's a lot of.
Oh my gosh, they're
Alejandro is here, guys. I just want to say, let's shout out to one of my favorite carnival costume designers, Alejandro. He makes the most amazing costumes, and he's actually, for Trinidad Carnival,
La Perla, okay.
La Perla. And for Trinidad Carnival, he actually teamed up with Ryan Amari.
That's your favorite.
Yes! Oh my gosh.
Fangirl moment. Okay.
I know, I'm really having a fangirl moment.
He's asking if it's on Netflix.
It's on Netflix. And I just think that he does amazing. I think the two of them do amazing work. I was hoping that...
Hello Beautiful says my hair ends need to clip. Do you think they need to clip already?
My hair ends?
My hair ends.
I just think your hair needs to wash.
I think, yeah, my hairdresser says my hair just needs to wash.
You think you want to clip?
I need to speak English. Uh-oh, somebody's on here and there's no subtitles over here. I'd love to check out one of those shows, but then after I'm just like, I need a... What's a fancy car that they drive?
I don't even, like, you know, Jodi and I are so different like that. Jodi just loves the brand name stuff, and I just, like, I'm good in a Target. Like, I'm so good in a Target.
Okay, out of the 10 pieces, 20 pieces of clothes I have, one will be brand name.
Jodi, that is not true. That is not true.
I love a Target too. Okay. Calm yourself. Did you both get a place to stay for Trinidad Carnival? No, Zara. Can you DM me? Do you have somewhere? And I need to remember to link Gio. He said he may have somewhere for us. Lies. Me lie? Me no lie.
Anyway. So, also,
Unforgettable and Remarkable says, I love you. I had a chance to meet you in person in Miami and you are amazing. She's talking to me.
Not me.
No, me.
Me. You're alright.
Unforgettable.
I find that Jodi's actually, like, a little nicer in person than I am, and I was surprised about that. I thought I would be nicer. I don't think I was that nice.
I think because I have resting bitch face, because sometimes I just look. So I make the effort because I don't want people to like not say anything to me like, oh, she looks like a bitch. I look like a bitch, but I'm not. You know?
So I look happy, but I'm a bitch?
You look happy, but you're clueless.
I know.
You were telling me hi!
I know. I'm really clueless though, guys. Like, honestly, yesterday, I took some medication, some Zyrtec, and then I felt kind of like airheaded after, and I was like, damn.
Well, Zara's gonna link me.
You know, like just feeling airheaded like that.
Oh, at Joy's. Somebody went to Joy's. Joy's was so cool. So for season 2 of Road Ready.
I feel like I'm talking and you're not even taking me on.
What you said?
Exactly my point.
I'm sorry. You said
you're not sorry because you do it all the time. You see, if it was the
because
first
I
time
wanted you to repeat
if it was the first time you did it, I could say that okay, I forgive you. But now you keep on doing it, so that means that you want to do this.
No, it's not that I want to do it. It's that I wanted to hear what your points again.
No, you don't want to.
Yes,
hear my
I do
points
because
again.
you didn't make it strong enough the first time. So I'm encouraging you to speak with authority. What?
Don't remember.
You don't remember?
Where you get these wine glasses from?
Grandma Peggy.
Okay.
You're gonna cuss me and say that they're ugly?
No, I wasn't.
Oh. What are you talking about? They're not ugly. They're from Grandma.
I didn't say anything.
Tracy, it's dead left. You can't fling up your mouth at dead left.
I wasn't flinging up my mouth. See, look, yeah, I'm not flinging up my mouth. I'm pouring more. Dead left like lick to be full.
Can't wait for Road Ready season 2. So we actually just had a meeting last night to discuss, because I do see what's happening and I do see your comments and I do take them into mind and I do take
Koji.
Miss Koji to Koji.
To Koji,
our cameraman.
He was so
cute.
I know. He has a farm. Oh, we haven't even given away one of the Butcher's Block gift certificates.
What's
okay.
our question? What is it? Tell me a secret comment. Trey. Alright, let me get ready to. Alright, guys, we are now going to be giving away
one of the
first gift certificate for the B Block gift certificate valued at $4,000. No, it's going to be the first person that answers that comes up here. I'm actually on Tracy's feed.
And remember that sometimes the people that come up on my feed are in a different position than they will come up on your feed.
We like multi-positioning, you know? Alright, so, and maybe we should give away the second one over on YouTube. I'll think about it. Okay, I'm locked in. Wait, let me get a pen to write down the winner.
The question is...
Oh, I forgot it. Yeah.
Where are the 3 Butcher's Block locations?
Where are the 3 B Block locations?
In Jamaica.
In Jamaica.
Guys, this is a big one. $4,000.
$4,000, yeah.
Like they were not even
We'd love
joking.
to taste that dip. It's serious.
Dude, the dip
nice.
is so good.
Yeah, I underestimated the dip.
I definitely underestimated the dip. 100%.
Okay, Zara says shop number 7, Upper Manor Park Plaza, Kingston. Yes, that's one, Zara. Come now, man. St. Mart, Manor Park and Barbican. Should I give it to her?
Who is that?
St. Mart. She meant Mary. Manor Park and Barbican.
Who is that?
No Filter Butte. I'm gonna give it to her. No. F-I-L-T-E-R. Wait, I can't spell. B-E-A-U-T-E. Okay, No Filter Butte. You got it? You know what? You know why too? I don't spell very well and I understand it was a little miss with the thumb. So instead of Mary, she wrote Merit. I'm going to give it to you. So congratulations to No Filter Butte. I'm going to message you later after we do up the show. Yay!
You won yourself a $4,000
gift certificate to Butcher's Block. We're not sure where's the closest location to you. Where will you be heading to to, what's the word? Not rectify.
Redeem.
Redeem. I knew it was an R. Redeem your gift certificate. Let's know. Let's know.
My husband, right? I've been talking about him a lot. Like, I just feel like he's been ignoring me recently, and so I love him. You know, I always say to him, I married my sister. He treats me exactly how you treat me, and I have to tell him, stop being mean to me. Yesterday, I was like loving him up, and he goes,
too much touching.
And then I was like, kiss me, and he goes, no. I was like, you're so mean. And he's like, what do you want? And I was like, a kiss. And then he kissed me on my forehead.
You know what she did to me last night? She goes, everybody, give Auntie Jodi a hug. She loves hugs. And I was like, ugh, get off me. Stop hugging me. Like, no, sure. So the correct answer to the question is, list out the 3 locations of Butcher's Block in Jamaica. And the answer is they have a location in St. Mary, they have a location in Barbican, and they have a location in Manor Park. So if you want to check out Butcher's Block, you want to check out this dip, you should try this. It's not a dip. What is it? A dip jam jelly?
It's a dip. It says it's a dip.
It says it's a dip?
Mm-hmm.
I would use it as more than a dip. It's like multifunctional.
Mm-hmm.
Jodi, no, Drew. Jodi gives the best hugs. I do not. Don't try and hug me. I don't like to hug. Unless I'm drunk. You'll know I'll hug you. I'll hug you if I'm drinking. I'll be like, hi!
I know.
If I haven't drunk, I'll be like, what's up?
Cool. I know. I don't really love to hug you though.
Hugging is weird, and I hate the hugging when you go to a party. It's like, I just got here. Why do you want to like kiss off my makeup? And some guys are like so aggressive. Mwah! And I'm like, great, there goes the left side.
I know, with their wet mouth. Like, what the hell? Like,
I would use it as a chicken ham glaze. Yes.
They also gave us dipping pretzels, but I think we have the crackers and that's good. So they do have dipping pretzels.
That would add like a nice. You know what you should have done? Rolled the tip of the meat on the top of the pretzel and
like a little chicken.
Like a little, yeah, like you dip it, like a little dip, you know.
What's in here?
Hi, ma'am. I'm from India. Big fan of Sean. Hello, Raul.
What's in here?
Oh, so 2 years ago, when the pandemic started, I said to myself that wearing so much deodorant around the house, antiperspirant in particular under my arm so close to my breast, I wanted to make the switch to a natural deodorant. It was a very hard journey for me. Well, I mean, sometimes I could smell myself too. It was
sometimes everybody could smell you.
It was never that bad.
What are you talking about? You wouldn't even know.
It took me a while to purge. It took a while for my underarm to purge. So I was sweaty and smelly for a little while. But I got this deodorant the other day to try, and they sent one for you too. Oh. So I wanted to give you this. Now, I don't know what it is that they sprayed in the package, but this thing here. Okay, open it now. I don't like this thing. It smells funny. Open the deodorant. Yeah. Wow, wait, why I have to do that? So this here is natural clay dry deodorant, and it's vegan, aluminum free, paraben free, gluten free, and it's cruelty free. And I've been using it for the past couple of days, and it's really, really nice.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
It smells good.
This smells, I don't know what this is. Stop putting it in this. This is horrible. This bird's nest stuff. It's horrible. I was like, oh my gosh, this deodorant is gonna smell so. Why is it? You know when you smell perfume.
So where is this available at Fontana?
So we can check out. As an influencer, they sent it to me, and I was like, I'm not gonna talk about your products unless it works. So they sent it to me. Oh, they have so many. They have all different colors, bare flavors. So I'm not sure.
I'm pretty sure it's available at Fontana.
But everything is at Fontana?
I'm sure it's available at Fontana. So it works?
I've been using it for the past couple of days, and my arm has not been stinking.
Alright, well, I'm gonna try it.
So I said, you know what, let me share with you guys, because you guys, most of you have been here with me for the stink arm journey, and I think, you know, it's winding down now.
Yeah?
My stink arm journey, yeah. So the flavor that I got was baby powder. What flavor you got?
I got bold, and it is a feminine, sweet, warm, musky, sensual with a hint of vanilla spice. I think Scott would love that. Musky. He'll be all up under me. For once. I married a man who just does. Like, acts like my sister. It doesn't want to take affection.
Is it made in Jamaica? Unwind.
No,
so I think it's distributed. Where is it made? In the USA?
Yeah, it's made in the USA in San Francisco.
Here, smell this. I stink?
No, you don't.
You lie!
No, you don't.
I don't want to turn to the front because I got
smell like baby powder.
Really?
You smell like baby bottom.
Oh, really?
Wait, did you just put some under your breast? Is that what you're saying?
No, I said I have on a mesh bra or else I would turn front ways and smell.
Oh.
I don't want everybody to be like, oh, look at Jodi nipple. Hee hee ha ha. Alright, I think we need to get more information so the people can find out where to get it. Because I would like a big change in women to stop wearing so much antiperspirant. It's clogging up the pores under your arms.
I can't get over this dip. I keep wanting more.
What is the brand called? The brand is called Zion Health.
Zion Health. 'Cause we're gonna be higher like a lion in Zion. We don't own the rights to that song.
Oh, sorry. I'd like to try that brand deodorant. I use Harm and Hammer scent free. No, the Arm and Hammer. I tried that one, so it was you guys that said, "Oh, Jodi, try the Arm and Hammer." What was wrong with the Arm and Hammer again? I think I was like super sweaty.
You're so stink on it,
Tracy. I would not say. You're being extra. You're being extra.
All right. Well, why don't you wear it anymore then? If I'm being extra, then you should go back to Arm and Hammer.
No, well, Tracy.
What? Talk to me.
I was trying different brands.
Yeah. And it didn't work out for you.
What's the name, Jodi? Alright, we're gonna come next week. Alright, Tracy's gonna switch over and she's gonna try her Zion Health and we're gonna come back and we're gonna tell you where you can get these. This wasn't actually a product sent for us to review today, but you know we don't gatekeep. And since my arm not stinking today, I just wanted to tell you about it.
Thank you. We don't gatekeep. I love how you know all of these, like...
Girl, I hang out with the teenies. Boppers. That's not cool.
Kylie's probably like quivering right now after what you just said.
Oh,
shuddering.
Gosh. I know. Kylie's like, oh my gosh, you look like such a grandma on Twitter. Why did you post that? I'm like, it's fun. She's like, no, it's not.
I love her. I love her. Anyway.
It's like an international brand. Macy's has it. It's available on Amazon. So we are going to find out where in Jamaica you can get it. Because it was sent to us from Jamaica. But tell them not to wrap it in that bird's nest stuff. The bird's nest stuff smells so strong.
Okay. I'll talk to them about it then.
Yeah, I don't like the bird's nest.
I'll talk to them about it.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
So anyway, Stevie's...
Oh, I thought you were going to talk about Scott.
I know. I've talked about him a lot today, eh? Oh man, I don't know why.
You probably got peace last night or you're begging peace later.
I didn't give him anything. Stevie's sick, right? And so last night we were so concerned for Stevie, so concerned. And then like, she's a real joker. Like she always has a joke. She's always laughing. She's a real joker. And yesterday she was going to bed and we're so concerned. And so Scott's in the chair and he's like rocking her. And the chair made like a squeaky noise. And then she goes, Daddy, you poop. And that's when I knew everything was going to be okay. Yeah. Because she made a little joke. I was like, oh.
I like when she asked me to smell her underarm.
I know. She was auntie.
And then, you know, she likes to send me videos of her bathing. And she'll do head. She'll show me how she bathe. And she bathe. And then she wash out her bottom. And I'm like, do you think Auntie really wants to be for her for this? Yes, she does. Yes, she does. She's getting so big.
I know. She's...
A little drizzle on top.
It's been... I guess I haven't watched her grow up as per se you guys would have watched her, because I see her every single day, so it's not as like... It just becomes routine for me, how I see her. But... you know, I was looking back at some pictures, like I looked back at the pictures from the Aruba trip and I thought she was so big then. And then, you know, I looked back at the pictures of her 1-year birthday and I was like, I thought she was so big then. And, you know, she's sick, and I was just saying to Jodi, like, it's been such a blessing that she could communicate now and say, like, oh, what is hurting her, or what she needs, or she needs water, or no, she doesn't want a banana, she wants toast. Like, that's been a blessing too. And, you know, it's just been so crazy having a kid. Like the emotions, it's just so.
Black them out.
I can't black it out. It's my kid, but like it's just so. It's crazy, but it's really beautiful to see that this is my daughter Scott and I. You know, how our union has.
Pass the deodorant. Somebody's asked if the deodorant leaves white stuff on his skin. When I put it on yesterday, I put it on twice yesterday because I didn't. So I didn't bathe in the afternoon because usually I bathe 3 times. I just put on more deodorant and I went trick-or-treating, but no. This flavor is nice.
Did you just use my deodorant on your arm?
Forearm? Somebody was asking a question, so I was just like, I not on my underarm, but I wanted to see. Zara says, yes, that's a blessing. Her and Remy are so adorable. All Remy said when I picked her up today, Stevie in the car!
I know, because she hasn't been able to see Stevie because I said, no, because Stevie's so sick. I don't want Remy to get sick too. So she said, Stevie's my best friend.
So I'm going to take them over later.
I know.
No, that's Stevie's. On the, what do you call it? On the bend?
On the up and up.
On the up and up. Okay. Yeah, ma'am. Stevie is good. She's sent Jodi. This one is
Sweet Amber.
This one is Sweet Amber.
Musky Vanilla. My nose isn't working so good. I have bad allergies, to be honest with you. My allergies have been going off. Oh, it's terrible. Like, I'm on Zyrtec D now twice a day. Crazy.
So for the Sweet Amber, how I would describe it is as a very fresh, light, like a fresh light, like a flower or something, like a garden, and then the after is like that musk, but not in like a overpowering male musk. I'm trying to. Because you have like notes of sweet in there, but then it ends with like a musky, like a, you know, it's not too, it's kind of like me, sweet, but then at the end it's just like rough, you know? No?
Okay.
It's, it smells good.
Okay.
When do you guys put up your Christmas tree? I think I'm going to put my, not now.
I don't do Christmas.
Tracy, I bought you an ornament Christmas tree. Please put it up. Do not let me come there and put it up. Alright, fine. Let me come there and put it up. I bought you a special Christmas tree for Christmas last year.
I'll put up the special Christmas tree Jodi bought me.
Jodi, are those your real nails? Yes! Except for the middle one. But they're my nails with gel over it. Remember I went on the cruise? And then when I was on the cruise, I asked Lisa to put gel on my fingers. But she was laughing at me and I was like, yo, with like the long nails and I gesticulate, I feel like people take me seriously. Like, you know, I'll be like, no. What? Oh! Like, you know?
I can do that too.
No. Tracy, people take you seriously because they're like, yo, she look like she'd chop you. Like, those are murderous fingers.
Yeah, but I gave the thump, nothing to hurt me in my
yeah, you look like in the night you're like a wrestler. I look like I'm a businesswoman. Do you not understand? Oh. You know?
I remember when I used to think that like being a business person was like the best thing ever, and I used to feel that I wasn't anything because I wasn't like a business person working at Sagicor.
Yo, Tracy thinks everybody works at Sagicor. When you're like, yo, what does Auntie Donna do? She works at Sagicor. Like, yo, and you know, she was supposed to go to work and then she drove to work. But how far is work? She works at Sagicor.
I know.
It's so, for years now. Everybody but Tracy work at Sagicor.
Everybody works at Sagicor.
It's so crazy.
Everybody. Are we gonna give away the second gift certificate?
I don't know. I feel like it's so soon.
It's 2:14.
Do you have a good question?
Yes. Yes. I thought the same thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright. So we are going to give away our second gift certificate for the day from Butcher's Block, valued at 4,000 Jamaican dollars.
4,000 Jamaican dollars. Hey, 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 hey. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
So you can check out one of their 3 locations to redeem your gift certificate. They have 3 locations. One in St. Mary, one in Barbican, right in Lochisan Plaza, and one in Upper Manic Park. Manic Park Plaza.
Manic Park Plaza.
Yeah, somebody's asking how Nana is. They haven't seen her in so long. She good, you know? She coming over later.
Yeah, Nana's been good. Nana's been a godsend. What a...
Alright, here's a question. So,
what is the brand name of the horseradish bacon mustard dip that Jodi and I are eating? And to jog your memories...
No, we don't have to jog anything. They also have other jams and jellies, and they are
distributed by Butcher's Block. What is the brand name? What is the brand name?
Or Gemini Queen? Lord, that's been so long. Hurry up. Sean.
Look, they're answering.
Yes, okay, so hold on. Jammy Jams!
No, Jammy Jams wasn't first.
Yes, the Jammy Jams there. Oh, wait, hold on. No, you're right. Sorry, we're going to go to Gina Wilson. Is it Gina Wilson?
Yep,
Gina Wilson. Sorry, Jammy Jams. You win too much things already. Gina Wilson. Let me make sure I spell your right name correctly.
Gina Wilson, you have won yourself a $4,000 gift certificate from Butcher's Block. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. That's great. That's nice.
Congratulations, Gina, and congratulations to No Filter Beauty. I'll message you by the end of tonight to let you know how you can collect your Butcher's Block gift certificates, courtesy of Butcher's Block, and of course Tuesdays with Tricky.
Where good things happen.
Are you trying to find like a tagline?
Yeah.
Because that's not it.
No. Okay.
Where good things happen. Where things is my bedroom.
Whoa.
Yeah. I feel like I have a hair like in my nose.
That's sinuses.
What do you mean?
That's how my sinuses feel all the time.
No, I feel like you know, like it's, and you pull it out, it'll feel so good.
So my hair is falling out so bad, as you can see. Anyway, that sometimes the hair will be like in Stevie's mouth, and she goes, "Mommy, And I'm like, okay, Stevie, and I have to pull it out.
We need to figure out where your package is then.
I know my Vivi Sky, I've ordered it, but it hasn't come. Look how thin it is.
You shouldn't wait till you're on your last of your. You should wait till you're.
I didn't. It just hasn't come in so long. It was supposed to land October 5th. It's now November.
Oh,
it's a whole month.
And every time Tracy takes her vitamins, you guys always ask her like, "Hey, what are you taking for your hair?" And as soon as she stops taking it, she looks like a bald-headed grandma.
I know. I don't know how much hair I'll have for Christmas, but the good thing is that I can always get a wig from Shelly Ann.
Right. And just wig it out.
Wig it out. Wig it out.
Alright guys, so Tracy, rosemary essential oil.
I've been doing that.
Yeah?
Yeah. And peppermint.
You here just don't like your scalp. Zara says it's always a wonderful afternoon with you two. Thank you so much for being with us today. What are you going to use? Oh my god, my hair is dropping out so bad. So she uses this vitamin. She's going to post it on her stories, and you're also going to send it to me so I can just order it for you right now.
Yeah, Viviscal.
And then I will Viviscal.
Since you're ordering that for me, I have a few other things.
No.
Order as well.
Slow your roll.
Okay, I'll slow it. I have a few other. Oh my gosh! Could you please, if I find my outfit for Babe and Brunch on Amazon, could you order it for me?
Stop wearing Amazon clothes. You don't have to treat yourself.
I love Amazon clothes.
Me too. I just bought more Amazon underwear.
And what am I treating myself?
Like, whoa! I never get a little anything down here panty wise. You know, because usually my panty. Well, I don't know about anybody else, but for me, I'm just like, ain't nobody seeing this, so I keep my old broker.
But I feel like I wear Amazon clothes well. This is from
Amazon.
This is from an online store in Jamaica.
Is that Psycho Bunny?
Yeah.
I love Amazon.
Me too.
Jodi, isn't tuna good for hair loss? No, it's more for like shine, like it's more of a treatment. But yo, that stuff is so hard to make. I do have a YouTube video on it, but it's so hard to do. You have to scrape off the prickles.
I guess I could do the rice water.
Rice water is so good. It made my hair so silky that I didn't like that much slip to it.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do the rice.
But you have like
silky hair.
Silky hair, so it would be good for you to do that. Mine, I don't know. I didn't like it so much.
She loved the rough feel.
Hair vitamin is good too.
She loved the rough things.
Alright.
She loved the rough.
Alright, so guys, make sure you stay tuned. So this Friday coming up on my YouTube channel, I'm going to show you how I get ready for bed, and I'm going to be taking off this look, showing you the products that I use, and like a skincare routine. So make sure you tune in on Friday.
Do you have anything in store for next week for the viewers?
I'll have my new phone.
Okay, wow.
I'll have my new phone. So we won't the view on YouTube is so like sexy, dark, mysterious. From like our boobs and chest look big, and then our head looks little and small.
I can't believe you did this to me already. Like, I thought my eye makeup was good today.
Like, I've literally glued Levi's iPad to my mirror. Like, you know, I'm having issues.
I thought my eye makeup was good today. I wanted to do 2 braids going down here like this, but then when I started to pull out so much hair, I got scared. So I was like, oh, I can't bother.
Can we have a Tricky's Corner, please? Yeah. Next week is daylight savings time. You save your daylight? Oh. I was joking, I was just being corny. We actually don't have daylight savings time in Jamaica. I do remember though when I was a little girl, a teenager going out, I used to be like, to beg the I'll be like, Mom, I didn't know it was 1:30 already because daylight savings time. Well, if my mother never got to the DJ and Rooks, it's enough time. Mommy used to come in the parties, come get me, you know, in this white dress that she had. It was not a nightie, but it looked like one. Yo, you know how much time Delana... It was not a nightie. Delana used to have to beg for me. I'm like, Mrs. Stewart, I will go and get her. Mrs. Stewart will go and get her. Mrs. Stewart. Yo, Delana sees me now and he's like, hi, Joe. Like, the amount of time, yo, the DJs used to always, yeah. Be like, Lord, Mrs. Stewart will go and get her.
I love people that you see them and they're like, you always just have a lot of love for them, like family, you know, like you see them and you're just like, yo, and it never has to be this big overwhelming hug or nothing. It's just always like a yo. That's how I feel when I see DJ Smoke too.
DJ Smoke, yeah.
Like I always feel a lot of love
like
for
a
him.
moment in time when we're young, and you know, these people just brought, like, seeing them brings back the memories of like good music, good parties.
Like I feel that when I see Delano, I feel that when I see Smoke.
The White Duster. Elena, if you start talking about me as a teenager, boy, Elena have enough of my secrets. Elena. So one time, right? I gave a lot of, I'm so glad that we did not have Instagram and like hand phones back in my day.
I know. So Tricky's Corner today. Okay. So it's something that I have been struggling with, and it's something that I have been trying to work on. And you know, when you do self-development and you're working on things within yourself, you can do as much as you want to in your bedroom, you can do as much as you want to by yourself, but the real test is when you are actually in a situation, how you act. And that is difficult because you never know when a situation is going to occur. And for me, mine is the way that I speak to people when I'm mad, because my delivery is always disgusting, to say the least, right? And I think that the way that I deliver things kind of makes what I'm saying, it voids it because of how I've delivered it. You understand? But what I'm saying is valid and true, and it's usually correct and right, but how I've said it just makes it null and void, you know? And so for me, my Tricky's Corner today is, how do you work on something like that? Like, how do you work on something that you're only going to ever experience or have to handle when you're in that certain situation?
You don't know.
Right, exactly. So I was doing a lot of research on it because, as I said, it's been something I've been struggling with. And in this situation, it's about breath and control. And it's about taking a moment in that situation and just breathing. Just try and breathe through it. Just try and breathe through it and breathe through it so that you can regain composure, because for me, I get angry so fast, so high. So it's just about breathing through it and regaining composure. And in that moment, you actually don't have to say anything at all. There's no need for you to respond, and there's no need for you to react. And it's better that you don't, and keep yourself above a certain, keep yourself classy and graceful, and don't react, you know. So
how am I going to remember this? Because I am the first one to lash off at my tongue.
Yeah, me too.
I lash off and I lash out, and it is like, if I'm mad, I just get mad and I just start tell Uno about you, Uno what's it, not it. And
but you don't get mad as often as I do. I find you're
quite a little fire stick.
Yeah, I find I get very mad very often.
But when I do find enough to get mad about, I will. Actually, I can't even remember the last time.
Oh, I can remember the last time.
I can't remember the last time I got that mad.
I can.
But yeah. What month were you born? She was born in December. Next month. Born in December. I believe you here we said or react and breathe. Then you decide whether you want to react or not.
Exactly. Yeah. Breathe and then decide whether you want to react or not. And you know, my sign is Sagittarius. I'm a fire sign. And the thing about me, December 21st is when I'm born, is my words are always harsh and cutting and true. Harsh, cutting, true. And every time I read things about me, I see these things, and it's something that, like, I feel that even some of my jokes, because they're so honest, like, I really do pride myself on being an honest person. Like, the other day somebody called me and was like, "Hi Trey, just wanted your opinion, so you answer me honestly." And I was like, well, you've called the right place, because it's like I just don't know how to lie. Like, I just don't know how to, like, even if I know it's gonna hurt your feelings, I'm like, okay, but you asked me, so here is what, like, you know, like, I'm not gonna be the one to butter things up, you know. But it's something that you either love me or leave me for. And I find that getting older, it's something that I've really had to be like, okay, well, you know, is it, although what you're saying is nice, is true, it's not always nice, you know. So like, how do you especially when I'm angry, like, how do I, and it's breathe, it's about control, it's about just learning how to breathe and deciding in that moment whether I need to answer or not. And the truth is, like, I don't always need to answer, and I feel that that's something that gets 100% of us, that we love to have the last word. Yes,
that's me.
We love to have the last word.
And like, I remember, I think a lot of this too, thank you, comes with maturity. Like, you know, I not only would have to have the last word, but when we get angry, I have to show people, say, me a bad girl. Yeah. And now I'm just like, okay, bro, like, honestly, I'll talk to you about this tomorrow. Or, you know, like, okay, let me think how I want to answer this in a way that is more effective, where I'm saying what needs to be said, but in a way that I will come across not as a bitch.
But I'm stronger. Like, come across stronger. Right. So I find for me, writing,
don't react immediately. Thank you, Tuki.
And I find for me, writing,
silence is an answer.
Silence is an answer. Silence is an answer.
But I said, George, just give me a little chance. I'm not going to cuss you off.
Yeah. And then, like, I also feel that, you know, with WhatsApp nowadays, you can also WhatsApp a person, like, your answer, which is like you've written it, you've gone through it.
But I think you need to, before you write or respond, just take a breather.
Yeah. Take a breather. Definitely don't respond immediately. Take a breather, and then, you know, you can respond the next day. But I think that the real trick to everything is taking a breather, taking that breath, taking that.
Are you burping while you speak?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You thought you could hide that?
I know, my nose is stuffy and I'm burping when I speak.
Oh, you're just missing a fart. Really?
Just because Stevie isn't here to point it out.
I love when kids cough, like, or they cough or they sneeze and they fart at the same time, but they surprise themselves. Like when Remy does it, I laugh so hard, and she does this, like, sometimes she gets embarrassed and she's like, "Mommy," they think it's funny.
Remy is so funny.
Anyway, on that lighter side of sneezing and farting at the same time, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And we will catch you next week. Let's do something exciting next week. Let's celebrate my new phone.
Okay.
Alright, guys. So make sure you catch us next week, where we will be doing something exciting. We are going to message the winners of the Butcher's Block gift certificate.
Just want to thank Butcher's Block for sending us this beautiful Chardonnay. It was really, really, really fabulous, guys. Honestly, like, I never drink white. Honestly. And I've poured 3 glasses.
Yeah, we've been doing well with that, eh? Woo.
And we don't drink white. So I want to thank Butcher's Block for sponsoring us today. They gave us the horseradish
I think James Littler needs to be a guest on the show, you know.
Oh my god, the show cannot manage James Littler.
The show cannot manage James Littler. James, big up yourself. He wants to do a collab.
Oh my god.
Can't manage you, James.
James?
Alright.
Do you guys want us to do something with James? He's really wild.
He's crazy.
Do you guys remember that show, Jackass?
Why are you comparing James to Jackass?
Because he's wild like that guy. He's pretty wild, Joe.
He's pretty wild. He's pretty
wild.
But fun.
Dude.
He's so fun.
I love him.
Alright guys, so make sure you catch us next week. Thank you so much for joining us. And what else do I usually say at the end? Bye?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you so much to our sponsors this week, Butcher's Block. Let me big up our winners. No Filter Beauty and to Gina Wilson, the winners of $4,000 gift certificate each to Butcher's Block. And guys, we will see you next week with my new phone. Holla!
No, it wasn't Jackass. It was that show, My Bum Is On Your Lips. My Bum Is On Your Lips. What's that one again?
It was with the Jackass people though.
Yes. Ted Green. Tom Green.
Bye guys.
So 90s of me.